Hi, welcome to Kelo TV, where you you learn how to create a website, how to develop a game, how to create an application. So if you're new here, consider subscribing for more new videos update because we update almost every day. Okay, in today's video, we're going to show you how to create a booking website with AI. If you remember, if you check around here, you see where I guide how to create a website uh, with with your domain name, uh, with your web hosting, which you install WordPress. That video is here, so you can watch this video. Is also another method, but let's see how AI also do this for us. So in this video, this is the website that I'm going to take you through how I work it out step by step. So as you can see, I asked the AI to create a website for me, a booking flight website, and I asked that this is how the header will be. I only want the home page, search, and contact page. So after that, the welcome page here with the message, find your perfect flight. Here you can see uh, the compare price list, compare prices from 100 of airline and travel sites. Okay, book with confidence and save money on your next adventure. So here I asked as well the AI, after giving this designing this and putting a welcome message like this, I asked to also put a button where it has a search flight now. So here if you click, you see it's active, and I access going to open this way where you can click here and you select your country where you are booking the flight from. Okay, where this is your destination. So if you're going to New York, something like that, how many passengers, maybe two passengers, which date, you also select the date from here. you know yeah, you select, okay, maybe on the 18th. Okay, coming back maybe on the 23, then you click search and you can see it's loading. You see this is the result. Automatically it's going to come up with this. As you can see, this the result. So that is how it works. Let me take you through. So after designing here, I asked that the form should be visible. If you don't want to click on search button, you can just drop down and do the same search. It works the same thing. You click search, and that is it. Here I also asked the AI that I want to put an ad below here, and it gives the space, and I give the code for the ad, and it had automatically. So that is how it works. All these pages can be configured. Maybe you have to take your time and write about us page, and then you head back to Reflect AI and give that the same message and ask AI to do that, to add it into the page, and you see it's going to work perfectly. So this is the prompt which I give: build a simple flight booking website, and which you can see using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The goal is to demonstrate basic booking functionality and include placeholders for affiliate links and ad monetization. So that is why the importance of creating this booking flight. Don't just go ahead and uh, create a booking flight. People create this to actually earn from it. So if you're new, I'm going to show you that. So this ad is also part of where I will be getting money as well out of this. And the second way is by coming here on this travel payout as well, which I show you from the last video as well. So here you log in, you register an account here, and you log in. After you log in as a new person, you're not going to see what you saw from there, but you see the page like this, and you're going to see where it says all. So here, this is where you go to see all the programs. It's not necessary you use the same what I use. Okay, there's so many programs which they are here. You can see This is trip.com. This is another one. This is booking.com. So all these uh, uh, flight companies, you can partner with them, and you can see all the one you want to join. Always go by reading what they are saying. Here you can see the reward rate will be 8%, cost per click will be 50%, and you can see 14 days whatever. So you can go ahead and search for which one you want to join. So example, if this is the one you want to join, if you see the commission is fine by you and you like the way they are, like look at this one, travel insurance for, okay, here you can see $1 to $160. So all this you have to take a look and find the one which you want to go for. So anyone which you want to go for, you click on it. Example, okay, you click on it and you go up, you see it's loading. So here you're going to request, you can see connect program. So it's going to take you to put in the name of your account, because you're going to create an account, maybe your site name, you put it. So once you click on connect, it's coming like this. This is my own which I've created, so that is why it's asking if I want to request this for this particular name or for this. So if I click request to connect, it's going to take maybe 24 hours, some take a week to answer you. So once it's reply and it give you access to use the platform, you will see a page like this where is going to see all the program which I'm connected to. I'm connected to this, that is why you are seeing this icon. I'm connected to this. All these are the companies which I connect to. So as you can see, this is the one which I use. So the next step you do, go to tools, and it's going to open again. So after they have given you access. So what I did here, this is their website, the website which we want to do affiliate with. So here you can see create a link. It will give you your affiliate link automatically, and this is it. If you click here, you see it's going to make the affiliate link long. So if you click here, it's going to hide it, make it short for you. So here you just copy the link and you head back to uh, Reflect AI, and you're going to give a prompt because it's going to build this site for you. The only two things that we need is adding the hard code and also the affiliate. So that is why if we search on, you know that is why if you click on search, and you'll be able to book the flight because of this affiliate we link. So if you I'm just taking you through. So if you click example, so you're going to see how it works. So simple. So here we'll click search, and you see these are the names. So once you click on book now, so that is why you'll be getting a commission from this, because it's associated with our travel payout link. So once you click on book, it's going to take you to a new tab where you can see booking confirm, your flight reservation has been confirmed. You will receive a notification email shortly, and you click proceed to the airline. So here is going to take you to the next page where you can see it's going to take us to our same URL of the URL of our affiliate link. So always check the good platform which you want to do affiliate with, so that people will not look at it as if it's not a genuine site. So that is how it works. Okay, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to drop it down. I'm always here to guide you, to help you out as you build your business. I will be here to support and to guide. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.